The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. This profound statement by Albert Einstein challenges our fundamental understanding of time. We perceive time as a linear progression from past to future, with the present moment fleeting between. Einstein's theories of relativity, however, shattered this intuitive notion, revealing time as a dimension interwoven with space, forming a unified fabric of reality, space-time. Imagine a vast cosmic tapestry, where each thread represents a moment in time. From our limited perspective, we experience only a single thread, the now, as it seemingly unravels before us. Einstein's genius lay in recognizing that the entire tapestry exists simultaneously. The past, present, and future are not separate entities, but rather different points on this cosmic fabric, equally real and accessible from the universe's grand perspective. This revolutionary concept has profound implications for how we understand ourselves and our place in the cosmos. If the past and future coexist with the present, then our linear perception of time becomes an illusion, a product of our limited human experience. Could it be that our consciousness, bound to the present moment, prevents us from grasping the true nature of time? This exploration delves into the mind-bending implications of Einstein's theories, venturing beyond the realm of physics into the realm of human consciousness and spiritual understanding. We will explore how ancient wisdom aligns with modern physics, revealing a deeper understanding of time and its impact on our lives. Prepare to challenge your assumptions, expand your awareness, and embark on a journey to unravel the enigma of time. Before Einstein, the prevailing Newtonian view of the universe held that time was absolute and unchanging, a universal clock ticking at the same rate for everyone, everywhere. This intuitive understanding aligned with our everyday experience. Einstein's genius, however, lay in questioning the seemingly obvious. His groundbreaking theories of special and general relativity, published in 1905 and 1915 respectively, turned the scientific world upside down. Special relativity, dealing with the relationship between space and time for objects moving at constant velocities, revealed that time is not absolute but relative. The rate at which time passes depends on the observer's relative motion. Imagine two clocks, one stationary and one moving at a high speed. Special relativity predicts that the moving clock will tick slower than the stationary clock. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, has been experimentally confirmed numerous times, demonstrating the malleable nature of time. General relativity extended these concepts further, incorporating gravity into the equation. Einstein showed that massive objects like stars and planets warp the fabric of space-time, causing time to flow differently in their vicinity. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time passes. This mind-bending concept, confirmed by experiments involving atomic clocks at different altitudes, illustrates the interconnectedness of space, time, and gravity. To grasp the true nature of time, according to Einstein, we must abandon our traditional notions of space and time as separate entities. Instead, imagine a four-dimensional fabric interwoven with the three dimensions of space: length, width, and height, with time as the fourth dimension. This unified fabric is space-time. Picture a trampoline as a two-dimensional representation of space-time. A bowling ball placed in the center would create a dip, distorting the fabric. This distortion represents the effect of gravity. Just as a marble rolling across the trampoline would curve inward due to the bowling ball's indentation, objects in space follow curved paths due to the warping of space-time caused by massive objects. This analogy helps visualize how gravity influences the movement of objects in the universe, but it also highlights the interconnectedness of space and time. The warping of space-time affects not only the trajectory of objects, but also the flow of time itself. Time flows slower in regions of stronger gravity, as demonstrated by the aforementioned atomic clock experiments. Understanding space-time as a unified fabric revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. It provided the framework for explaining the behavior of celestial objects, from the bending of starlight around massive galaxies to the existence of black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape it. Yeah, of course, more time has a spiritual experience. Also, some of Einstein's theories revolutionized our scientific understanding of world of time. People of many spiritual and philosophical traditions who have much long espoused a view of time as that aligns surprisingly well with modern physics. These traditions, often rooted in ancient wisdom, offer a perspective on time that transcends the limitations of a linear perception. In many Eastern philosophies, including Buddhism and Hinduism, time is not viewed as also as a linear progression, but as a cyclical process of creation, destruction, and rebirth. This cyclical view aligns with the concept of space-time, where the past, present, and future exist simultaneously. Just as the universe now is constantly expanding and contracting, our individual lives are seen as part of a larger cosmic dance, right, where beginnings and endings are intertwined. Indigenous cultures around the world also often hold a cyclical view of time, connecting it to the rhythms of nature and the cycles of life, death, and renewal. Their understanding emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of living in harmony with the natural world. The spiritual perspectives challenge our Western linear view of time, offering a more holistic and interconnected understanding. They invite us to step outside the confines of clock time and experience time as a fluid, subjective phenomenon intimately linked to our consciousness and our place within the grand tapestry of existence. Consider moments when you were fully engrossed in an activity, whether it be painting, playing music, or engaging in a captivating conversation. During these periods of intense focus and immersion, time seems to dissolve. Hours can pass like minutes, and the outside world fades away as you become completely absorbed in the present moment. This state of heightened awareness and focus, often referred to as flow, offers a glimpse into the subjective nature of time. When we are fully present, our perception of time shifts. The past and future cease to exist as our entire being becomes consumed by the now. Athletes often describe experiencing a distorted sense of time during moments of peak performance. The outside world seems to slow down as they react instinctively, their movements fluid and effortless. This phenomenon, known as time dilation in sports, mirrors the time dilation predicted by Einstein's theories of relativity. While the athlete's experience is subjective, it highlights the malleable nature of time and its connection to our state of consciousness. These experiences suggest that our perception of time is not fixed, but rather fluid, influenced by our state of mind and level of engagement. By cultivating a state of present moment awareness, we can tap into a more expansive experience of time, one that transcends the limitations of our linear perception.